Okay, so now I want to ask you one thing, that how I should improve my English. And sometimes I'm going to start speaking very slow. It is going to be very difficult for someone to understand my language. I'm facing so much difficulties in this language. So you please guide me what should I do and how to improve my English.
I mean, it's different for each individual, every English learner, as they start from some, everyone's, their starting is different. And in your case, if I had to give an universal, suggestion to everyone, then definitely that would be same. But for you, you see, the first thing that I would recommend is to figure out what is the exact problem. If once you can figure out the problem, you will eventually find the solution. Until and unless you will not find out the problem, that why exactly you are not able to speak properly, or what is preventing you from being fluent in English, or what is the root cause that is preventing you from speaking, or like delivering your message in that perspicuous way, or in an epigrammatic manner. So that's the thing you have to first of all figure out. Once you get to know, you will definitely, you will definitely navigate that problem as well. And as far as I have, if I have to put down my own perspective regarding your speaking, the thing that, as you already now also you told me, is your speaking pace, that is that problem, pace. I mean, sometimes you do speak too fast. You rush through the sentences, and it feels like that you are speaking when your equanimity, your that state of mind is not in control, in your control. Rather, it's just rushing through the sentences, and not able to, collect and have that control over your thoughts. And in fact, you don't even know that what you are speaking and what you have to speak the next thing. So it feels like that you are speaking everything, what from your memory, whatever you have, like that is stored in your mind, that is stored in your mind, and that's what you're speaking. Nothing is coming out as raw or real, or nothing is coming out as an improvisation, like you are improvising something spontaneously. There is nothing like that. You are not able to speak in that spontaneous way. So this is the problem. If you can improvise things spontaneously that moment when someone is asking you something, that's where the real communication, real articulation lies in the skills. So then also, if you once can grab a good hold on that, then definitely you can maintain the pace as well. You can slow down. You can make it even more faster, like a, that kind of express marathon you can do in that way also. But the thing is that you have to first hold, or grab a command over your, or I mean, first of all, you need to have a control on your thoughts. You need to unleash that creativity in your mind only, that whatever you are speaking, that should come out of your mind, not from any storage that has been stored, or that has been recorded previously, which you will repeat again and again.